So today's quick lesson was preserving equality with two operations in algebra. So we've had experience with one operation, now we have two. So I'm curious to see how you approach this in your problem solving techniques.
So what we did was we started off by taking that plus 7 and putting it to the, after the 37, so it became minus 7. So we had 37 minus 7, that equals 30, so we found out that x equals 30.
Okay, so let's discuss this one. Is there a misconception here in what they did? They went from 5x equals 37 minus 7 to equals 30. So what equals 30 in this case? What should equal 30?
5x.
5x. See, this is what this group missed. 5x. So 5x equals 30. What do we still have on this side? Ali.
You have 5x, you have to change it to division. So
Yeah, you have to change this to division now because it's being multiplied. So if it's being multiplied on this side, to get rid of it,
divide on the other.
like you said, divide it on the other side. So let's get rid of this here. So if you divide it by 5 here, you got to get rid of it. So x equals 30 divided by 5. So that means x equals?
6.
Okay, did anyone do it in a different way?
So what we did a little bit different is from the start, we just wanted to make x by itself. So right away we put 5x, and to get rid of 5x and plus 7, we did 35 minus 7 and divided by 5. So this would be x equals 37 minus 7 divided by 5. Then x equals 30 divided by 5 because we did 37 minus 7. And then 30 divided by 5, and then it was equal to 6. And then to prove it, we did 5 bracket 6 plus 7, which is 5 times 6. And then we just got 37.
Okay, so you also checked it.
Yep.
If there's one thing I don't recommend, what do you think it is? They did something that I don't recommend.
There will only x equals 37 minus 7. It would be more better if they wrote, like x, like 5x, plus, like they actually wrote the whole equation on both
Okay,
sides.
so show your work here. So you guys did it like this. So I see that. What did tell me what you did here?
So first we wrote down the whole equation, and then we did 5x. Then we saw it's plus 7, right? So then to make the opposite, we have to do a minus 7 on both sides. So we did 5x plus 7 minus 7 equals 37 minus 7. And then after that, we did 5x equals 30. And to get rid of 5x, we did 5 divided, on both sides, we did 5 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5x equals 30 divided by 5. And then we got x equals 6.
Okay, perfect. So that's, to do two operations at the same time is not a good idea. It'll get confusing. Just a quick recap to highlight some of your strategies. I'll do it step by step because you didn't see it step by step. 5x plus 7 equals 37. We know we have to get rid of the plus 7. So 5x equals 37 minus 7, because when you bring it over to the other side, if it's positive on one side, it's negative on the other side. 5x equals 30. And because this is being divided, it's being multiplied, to undo multiplication, you need to divide. X equals 30 divided by 5. X equals 6. Or you have 5x plus 7 equals 37. 5x plus 7. Now you have to subtract 7 to get rid of it. But what you do to one side, you do to the other. 37 minus 7. So 5x plus 7 minus 7 is 0 equals 37 minus 7, which is 30. And then when you have 5x, to get rid of 5x, you have to divide it. So 5x divided by 5, which equals 30 divided by 5. So x equals 6. And then when you check your answer, plug the numbers back in. So I'll just rewrite the equation so it's easier to see here. 5 bracket 6 plus 7 equals 37. BEDMAS tells us to do what first? Multiplication. What are we multiplying first then?
5 and 6.
5 and 6 is 30 plus 7 equals 37. 37 equals 37. Left side equals right side. And we're good.